Okay, welcome everybody, and today we're doing our video on blockchain. Blockchain is what we'll be learning about, and let's continue. What is blockchain? Blockchain is the digital transcript of transactions that acts as a ledger for purchases and sales across multiple computers. This could be for physical or digital objects. Who is using blockchain? Well, answer is primarily right now it's people who develop them. Those types of industries, people that are using them are blockchain developers, blockchain engineers, and blockchain consultants. Obviously certain managerials and corporations that are doing transactions can use them as well, but blockchain is looking to be less and less of the future as originally predicted half a decade ago. Where is blockchain being used? The critical areas that blockchain is being used is software companies, the automotive industry, manufacturing, and digital transcript facilitators. Now, just to double back on the previous slide, what I mean by digital transcript is like PayPal and Venmo. When to use blockchain? The creation of blockchain was first invented in 2008. It was originally sprouted from the Bitcoin market. Blockchain is generally used during transactions between two parties. So generally, whenever something is being purchased or sold, that is when the blockchain is created for the record of the transaction. Okay, why should you use blockchain? The following reasons organizations use blockchain: to record transactions made of digital and physical transactions, and a third party can never alter. How does Switzerland utilize blockchain for industry and infrastructure? In Sweden, they're using blockchain right now to help make transactions between one another and help secure a ineditable type of recording. Alright, finally, two truths and a lie. Firstly, blockchain was invented in 2008. Second, blockchain has strong ties to Bitcoin. Third, blockchain is made more by small businesses than large corporations. Is used more by small businesses than large corporations. If you're curious to find out the answer, look in the description box below, and I hope you learned something important today about blockchain. Have a good day.